Today I'm quite excited and I want to take this time and share with us. I hope my mic is working. Are you working? Testing, testing. Okay, I think it's okay. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Tap on the subscribe button and get to know us. So, I want to share something personally about myself today and self esteem. I used to be this type of a person that I was so gentle. I was so nice. I'm not saying I'm no longer nice. I am still that nice person. But this is what happened. I felt humility or spirituality. It's when you deny yourself. So I didn't want to, although I was the intelligent type, very intelligent person, but most times I wanted to take the back seat. I don't want people to know me. I don't want people to know this is what I have. This is my gifts. This is my talent. I just wanted to be solo, that quiet, that um, whatever. But this is what I discovered. In the process of doing so, I gave a lot of people wrong impression about me. They felt that I wasn't good enough or I didn't know anything. It's even because, or maybe my face, facially, I look so naive and gentle. So that is the impression it gave to a lot of people. Until I started saying to myself, no, Inamsi, you cannot keep hiding who you are. You can't keep pretending that you are gentle, you are nice, you want to conform. Be yourself. Be yourself. If you have an intelligent idea to share, don't start thinking about, oh, people might think I am trying to say something too nice, so I'm trying to outshine them. So sometimes I found myself trying to hide my identity. If you are watching this video and you are that person, you are intelligent, you are smart, you are good, and you are conflicting between not letting people know exactly your skills, what you can do, what you can produce. You need to come out. You need to come out from that shell. You need to come out from that timidity. You need to come out from that humility in quote, because that is not humility. Sometimes you will discover that people you are even way better than, it's not a competition, okay? People you are even way better than, they are doing better than you because you decided to hide. You decided to keep quiet. You decided to be silent. You decided not to say too much. You don't want people to think you know too much. It's more like a people pleasing thing. Oh, that is not you. Yeah, that is not you. So today, I just want you to take this home. Come out of that shell. Come out from that timidity. Come out from that shyness. Come out from that humility in quote. Come out from that whatever you put yourself in. You are hiding. You need to come out. You need to speak. You need to be who you are. You need to speak your voice. That is who you are. Stop pretending. Okay, yeah. And another thing I also discovered is that I never wanted to look too pretty. Don't mind me. I'm just taking my time to share some of my weak points, the mistakes I did that I know some of us ladies are still doing. But girls or boys or guys, whoever is watching me, I have turned a new leaf. I didn't want to look too pretty. Of course, I am pretty. So I felt if I look too pretty, people might feel that I'm I'm being too pretty. So imagine living all your life for people. Imagine having a timetable for people, pleasing people, living for people, scanning before you make any decision. You have already scanned all the environment, bagbos, to be sure that you have pleased everybody. And then you turn to look shabby or low or dirty, or you don't want to. I'm not saying you should overdo. There is what we call too much. I'm not saying you should be too much, but if you have a nice dress, dress it. Because I just wrote something today on my Facebook page. The reason why people are disrespecting you over and over again, they march on your feet, they look at you and feel, oh, this person is so naive. They treat you anyhow, they go with it. It's because they have already scanned and discovered you are too nice. It's not just about being too nice, they have scanned and also discovered that you appear to be timid. Ha. We have come to a generation where you don't have to be timid. The moment people feel that you are timid, you are nice, they push things at you, you don't have boundaries, you cannot say no, they will do more. So you live for people and you lose your voice. Today, I want to remind you, don't lose your voice. Dress well. I'm not saying that you should get the latest designer hair. You should get the latest wig. You should get the most costly, but look presentable. Present yourself in such a way that before anyone matches you, before anyone say mean things to you, before anyone disrespect you, before anyone disregard you, they should be scared of doing it because they know who you are. And I want to remind you today, as a lady watching me, it doesn't matter what you have been through. It doesn't matter your situation. It doesn't even matter if you are poor, but you have something within. You have those gifts within. You have a voice. You can speak. You can live. You can be your best. Stop hiding. Come out. Show the world what you carry. And by doing so, you will be respected. Stop giving yourself out to people. Some of us, we are the one that cause our disrespect because you were supposed to dress neatly and you appeared sharply. Start taking time on yourself. Stop, start, start, and start changing. Stop hiding. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you gained a lot from this video. I just wanted to inspire someone today, to encourage someone. And if you gained any value in my video, tap on the subscribe button. Like this video and tell me in the comment section if you were once someone like me or you are still, I'm still working on myself anyway, someone like me that give the people opportunity for my life. So I lived for different people. Why I died. You don't have to live for people. You were created specially for a purpose. Start living you. See you guys in my next video. Subscribe. Bye.